यस, मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है सबको? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will start. In the last lecture, recording मैंने भेजा था आपको. I have told you to go through the recording. Okay. So I hope you have gone through the recording. So with the continuation of the previous lecture, we will see what is actually the flip-flop, what is actually the latch. So before I go with the flip-flop and the latch, let me just read out the differences which I have already given to you. The differences between the flip-flop and the latch. Okay. So the differences which I have given. So I'm going to write down here the latch and the flip-flop. This is important because student will not understand the difference between the latch and the flip-flop. So it's better to understand first the difference, then we will jump to the detailed understanding of flip-flop and what do you mean by latch. So as far as latch is concerned, the first point I have given you that I'm just reading out. Please pay attention. The latches are the basic building blocks of sequential circuit. Latches are constructed from the logic gates. Okay, so mostly your logic gates are the sequential circuits which are made of logic gates. And in the flip flop, these are latches. With the help of latches as well as clock signal. So in the yesterday's lecture, we have talked about the clock signal. I have told you these are the pulses: edge trigger, positive edge trigger, negative edge trigger, positive level trigger, negative level trigger. Okay, I have given you the square waveform. With respect to that square form, we have understood what are the 4 types of clock trigger. Okay, and I think we have also seen the different parameters like duty cycle, the time period, the frequency. So this thing also you should know. So the first point is regarding this the construction of the latch and the flip flop. The second one is uh, latch doesn't have clock signal. The clock signal is absent. The clock signal is absent because there is no clock. The clock signal is absent in the latch. Here the clock signal is present. Okay, so if I have to make the statement for the latch, I should say that the latch checks all its input continuously and modifies its output at any time independent of the clock signal. So in the latch the output will be output depends upon the input irrespective of the clock signal, but that is not possible in the flip flop. In your flip flop, your output will change with respect to input when the clock pulses are applied. When the flip flop में input दे दो, you will get the output provided you have given the clock signal. You have provided yes, latches are sensitive to the input signal. In the flip flop, the flip flops are sensitive to the clock signal. That is a point which is given, that cannot be used as a register. It cannot be used as a register. So here latches cannot. In flip flops are used as a register. Now register means what? I have told you, latch and flip flop are the memory element of data. If I have to, then that number of flip flops you require. So if I have to store more than one, then it is called as a register. Then it is called as a register, which will store one more than understood. Then I will go with the flip flop because that provision is not available in the latch. That provision is not available in the latch. और ऐसा क्यों होता है? Only because the clock signals are present in the flip flop. तो हम जब रजिस्टर के बारे में देखेंगे, जब हम देखेंगे कि दो या तीन फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स हम लगा रहे हैं कैस्केडिंग में, तो इन दैट केस अगर मैं 3 फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स लगा रहा हूँ, So I should be able to store 3 bit of data. Okay, so because of clock signal, I can use the flip-flop as a register, but that provision I do not have in the latch. So that is the fourth point I have told you. Then fifth point, you can say that as clock signal is absent in the latch, as clock signal is absent in the latch, the clock signal is absent. मेरी आवाज आ रही है सबको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. The fifth statement I can say that as clock signal is absent in the latch, latches are asynchronous. Latches are asynchronous. Asynchronous के बारे में मैंने बताया था. Asynchronous sequential circuit, synchronous sequential circuit. Asynchronous without clock signal. Synchronous with the help of clock. So as latch doesn't have clock, asynchronous, as they are independent of the clock. Here it will be synchronous. Just a minute. Just hold on. I think there is some problem. Okay. So here it is synchronous. Here it is synchronous. Okay. So these are the 5 points. The rest of the points, that is point number 6 for latch and flip-flop. For latch and flip-flop. मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है सबको? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the 6th point is regarding the power consumption. Okay, the power consumption. So when you talk about the power consumption, so as there is no clock signal applied to the latch, the power consumption is less. The power consumption is less in latch as well as in the flip is more, only because of the application of clock signal. Of clock signals. Okay, then okay, these are the some important points to differentiate between the latch and the flip-flop. So I have, see, there are many more points are there, but these are the 7 important points. The mostly the difference will be only based upon the clock signal. यहाँ पे clock signal है, वहाँ पे नहीं है clock signal. You can draw some of the inferences which becomes the differences between the latch and the flip-flop. Okay, now I think we can directly go to the latch and the flip-flop now in detail. We will go to the latch and the flip-flop in detail so that you will be able to understand them in more detail. So as far as your sequential circuit is concerned, the important thing is about the memory element. So we are going to understand the memory element. So your memory element can be flip-flop and the latch. We have seen the differences between the latch and the flip-flop. Now we will see in detail what do you mean by flip-flop and what do you mean by latch. So write down the heading as flip-flop. Write down the heading as flip-flop. So we will see what do you mean by flip-flop. We will see now what do you mean by flip-flop. Now this flip-flop, as already I have told you, it is used to store one bit of data. Okay, it is used to store one bit of data. Now this flip-flop will have two states. Now let me draw the symbol of flip-flop. Let me draw a symbol of flip-flop. Now see what I am going to draw now. Your flip-flop will have the input. Your flip-flop will have the input. It will have two outputs. It will have two outputs. See what I'm going to write down. One output is called as Qn. The other output is called as Qn bar. Qn bar. Qn bar. Okay. Qn and Qn bar. Now, if I'm writing down here out at the output of Qn as Qn plus 1, Qn bar, if I'm writing down as Qn plus 1 bar, then it means that Qn plus 1 is the next state. Qn is the present state and Qn plus 1 is the next state. So we have to understand the meaning of state, which already have told you, which already have told you. Okay, what do you mean by state? Now, as flip-flop contains the clock signal, so I'm drawing this clock. Can any one of you tell me this clock is of which type out of the four clocks trigger I have explained you? This is of which type?
Positive edge trigger.
Yes, it is a positive edge trigger. It is a positive edge trigger. It is a positive edge trigger. Okay. Now your flip-flop will come under the sequential circuit, and as per the definition of your sequential circuit, we know that your output depends upon the input as well as the past output, okay. Now here, if I am saying that Qn plus 1 is the present output, then Qn is the past output. Okay, again I'm repeating, it is n plus 1. N plus 1 means the next state. Qn is the past state. I'm talking about the output state. Q1 is the past output state. Qn plus 1 is the present output state. Okay, so can I write down your output, that is Qn plus 1 is the function of your input. Now this is your present input, comma Qn. So can I say your present output depends upon the present input? Yes or no? Yes or no? As per the the block diagram of flip, I say your present output depends upon the present input as well as the past output. Yes or no? So can I say this is right or wrong? Please acknowledge.
Yes, sir.
मेरी आवाज हाँ. So ये क्या है? When I'm talking about Qn plus 1, just hold on now. यस, ओपन बोर्ड दिख रहा है सबको? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So this is a symbol of a flip-flop. So I was talking about the state, and I have given you an equation that your present output depends upon the present input as well as the past output. So Q1 is the past output. This input is this input, which is the present input, and Qn plus 1 is the present output. Qn plus 1 is the present output. So your flip-flop will have two outputs. One is Qn and the other one is Qn bar. That is the inverted, that is a complement of Qn. That is a complement of Qn. Now here, when you talk about this flip-flop, you know that it is used to store the data. When the output of this flip-flop is 0, then the flip-flop stores 0. And when the output of this flip-flop is 1, it will store 1. It will store 1. Okay? उसका दूसरा मतलब होता है कि when the output of this flip-flop is 0, that is Qn is equals to 0, or you can say the output of the 0, then at this Qn bar, you will have 1 because it is a complement. And whenever the output of this flip-flop is 1, then at the output of Qn bar, you will have 0. Then it stores 1. Okay, so in that case, I can say this flip-flop is a it is a bistable multivibrator. Have you studied 555 IC? Have you studied?
Through project.
Have you studied 555? मिनी प्रोजेक्ट में पढ़ रहे हो आप 555 IC?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So in this 555 IC,
सर आपका आवाज जा रहा है.
operator, because it store 1 bit of memory. It okay. Now here, as well as logic gates, as a logic gate. Okay, so your flip-flop is help of NAND or NOR. So your flip-flop can be constructed either by using NAND gates or by using NOR gates. Time it will be more clear. Now one more thing about this. Yes, our
सर आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है.
हाँ बोलो क्या बोले?
वॉइस लैग कर रहा है.
सर आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है.
मुझे अच्छा, my voice is lagging.
Yes, sir.
अभी आ रही है आवाज?
सर
अभी आ रही है आवाज?
सुनाई नहीं दिया.
अच्छा ठीक है. No, I was talking about IC 555. That IC 555 works as a bias. So that time you must have gone through that your IC 555 can work as a monostable multivibrator, bistable multivibrator. So similar to the bistable multivibrator, your flip-flop will also store 1 bit at a time. It will give you 1 when it stores 1. It will give you 0 when it stores 0. So that is what I was. Is it fine?
555 मोनो और स्टेबल होगा ना.
No, it depends upon आपको IC 555 कौन से मोड में काम करना है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन आप, हाँ, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन आपको IC 555 कौन से मोड में काम करवाना है. लेकिन when I'm talking about bistable, जब देखो मैं बोलता हूँ bistable, see on the screen, bistable multi vibrator, so it can store 1 or 0. Similarly with that, your flip flop also stores 1 or 0. In that relationship, your flip flop is called as a bistable multi vibrator. Is it fine now? Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है सबको? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will proceed further to understand the flip flop more in detail. Now, when you talk about this flip flop, whenever you will get 1 as an output, please pay attention. This is important. Whenever you will get 1 as an output, then your flip flop is said to be in logic 1. Okay, so I am writing down here, whenever give output as, whenever your flip flop will give output as 1, Qn plus 1, that is a present output. Whenever your flip flop will give the present output as 1, in that case you will say your flip flop is said to be in logic. Your flip flop will be in logic 1 state, or it is called as a high state, or it is called as a set state. Okay, so these are the 3 different nomenclature. Whenever your output of flip flop gives you 1, you will say your flip flop is in logic 1, or it is a high state, or it is a set state. Similarly, if your output of your flip flop, if it gives 0, then your flip flop, you will say it will be in logic 0, or it is in the low state, or it is in the reset state. You can say reset or clear. Am I right? Have you understood this concept? So अगर flip flop का output में 1 है, that means your flip flop is in logic 1 or high state or set state. And if your flip flop gives your output as 0, then your flip flop is in the logic 0 state, or it is in the low state, or it is in the reset state. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, one more important thing we should understand about the flip flop, that flip flop are commonly used in shift registers and counters. Okay. तो मैंने जैसे बताया था कि if I am using the flip flop, if I am using more than 1 flip flop, that means I can store more than 1 bit, because 1 bit is equals to 1 flip flop. If I have to store 2 bit, then it is equals to 2 flip flops. So if I am going more than 1, then it becomes registers. Okay. So you have different types of flip flops. The different types of flip flops are: number 1, SR flip flop. Number 2, you have JK flip flop. We will study this thing in detail. Number 3, you have D flip flop. And number 4, you have T flip flop. So these are the different JK flip flop, D flip flop, and T flip flop. तो हम जब ये पढ़ेंगे, then I will explain you what is SR, what is JK, what is D flip flop. Now we will proceed to the latch. We will see what is the latch now. Now first, as per the definition, your latch is a non-clocked flip-flop. Doesn't have clock, can I say it is a non-clocked flip-flop? Yes, it is a non-clocked flip-flop. And as far as flip-flop is concerned, it consists of latch as well as clock. And when you अगर हमने उसमें से अगर हमने clock को निकाल दिया, then it becomes non-clocked flip-flop. So your latch is non-clocked flip-flop. Okay. Now here also we have to understand what do you mean by latches. Okay. So we will see the latch with an example. अब जैसे flip-flop में मैंने बताया था we have different types of flip-flops. SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop and T flip-flop. Similarly, in latch also we have 4 types of flip-flop. One is SR, different. Okay, so before I start with the SR latch, because हम SR latch डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे, latch एक बार होने के बाद then we can proceed for flip flop. Okay, to understand that these latches are of 2 types. One is called as active high input latch, and second one is active low input latch. So what do you mean by active high input latch? See, this is important. Active low indicates that the latch is also will have the inputs. Now your flip-flop may have more than one input. It may have one input or it may have 2 input. Okay, अगर मैं अभी आपको 2 input का latch बता रहा हूँ, that it means there are 2 inputs. And let me take an example of SR latch. S stands for set and R stands for reset. Reset बोलो या फिर clear बोलो. Okay, so one input is S, other input is R. Similarly, you will have output that is Q and Q bar. Okay, Q and Q bar. Now, what do you mean by active high input latch? Active high input latch means what? When you are set means and reset. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? When your S is equals to 1 and your R is equals to 0, in that case, your Q will be equals to 1 and Q bar will be 0. And suppose if your S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1, in that case, your Q will be 0 and your Q bar will be 1. इसका मतलब, if I want to have output as 1, that means you have to set your latch. If you have to set your latch, that means you have to give 1 to S and 0 to R input. If you want your latch should give output as 0, that means you have to give 1 to reset input and 0 to set input. Okay, here if I want output should be 1, then you have to give S is equals to 1 and R is equals to 0. Then it is तब हम बोल सकते हैं कि your latch is set. वही अगर मुझे चाहिए कि I want my latch should be clear, in that case you R is equals to 1 and S is equals to 0. So you will have output as 0 and Q bar. Okay, now come back to active high input latch. In active high input latch, you are set and reset. इसका मतलब क्या है? Your S is equals to R is equals to 1. Both are in high state. Or अगर if I want that this should be pulse to low whenever it is required to change the output of the latch, जब S is equals to R is equals to 1 है, and if I want that my output output should be low. See, whether I'm audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, active high input latch, active high input. Initially your S is equals to R is equals to 1, यानी हमने S को भी 1 दे दिया और R को भी 1 दे दिया, S को भी 1 दे दिया, R को भी 1 दे दिया. Now if I want that my output of a latch should change, if my output of a latch should change, पहले कुछ भी रहने दो, but if I want that my output of a latch should change, in that case, out of this S and R, out of these two, एक को आपको zero करना पड़ता है. It means that initially your S is equals to 1 and your R is equals to 1. If you want your output of latch should change, then either you make S is equals to 0 or make R is equals to, that is what it is called as active high input latch. That is what it is called as active high input latch. Now if it is active, this is called as, this is not called as active high, it is called as active low. It is called as active low. Okay. Opposite to this, initially I'm writing down it here. Initially your S will be 0, and in that case, if I want to change my output of latch, then either you make S is equals to 1 or make R is equals to 1. Then you will see the output of a latch will change. This scenario is called as active latch. This scenario is called as active high input latch. इसका मतलब यही है, active high बोले तो initially 0 है, S and R both are 1. Initially S and R both are और दूसरे को 1 रहने दो, दोनों को 0 नहीं करना, 1 करना है. ओके, R को आपको 1 करना है, यानी R will remain 1 to 0. It will go from 1 to 0. Okay, so you are going from high to low. You are going from high to low. So this scenario is called as active low. और ये सिनारियो में क्या हो रहा है, एक्टिव हाई में हम इनिशियली 0 में है और मुझे आउटपुट ऑफ लैच को अगर चेंज करना है तो आई हैव टू गो फ्रॉम 0 to 1. सो आई एम गोइंग फ्रॉम 0 to 1. तो अगर एस को मैं 0 to 1 कर रहा हूँ, 0 आर 0 ही रहेगा, या फिर मैं एस को 0 ही रख रहा हूँ, मेरा आर विल गो टू फ्रॉम 0 to 1. सो इन ईदर ऑफ द केस आपको एक को ही चेंज करना है, फ्रॉम 0 to 1. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एक्टिव हाई बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम 0 to 1. अगर हम करते हैं, that will make the output of the latch, ये ट्रांजिशन कर रहे हैं, that will make the output of the latch. Okay, तो अब जब हम SR latch डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे, then this concept will be clear. For time being, you understand your latch can work under active low input latch or it can work under active high input latch. Okay, so there are two types of latches: active high input latch and active low input latch. I hope you have understood this. Have you understood this? Active low input latch and active high input latch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this thing you will understand properly if I take an example of one latch. The example of latch, that is a SR latch. That is a SR latch. So please write down the heading as SR latch. SR latch. This is called as set, reset. S for set, R for reset latch. Okay, and the block diagram, which already I have told you, you have two inputs, S and R, and you have two outputs, Q and Q bar. Okay, Q and Q bar. So we will see what is this particular SR. अभी ये ब्लॉक के अंदर क्या है, मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, योर SR लैच और योर फ्लिप फ्लॉप. अभी हम फ्लिप फ्लॉप की बात नहीं करेंगे, अदरवाइज यू विल हैव कंफ्यूजन. वी विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट द फ्लिप के बारे में बात करेंगे. योर SR लैच व्हेन यू टॉक, देन व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक. ये बॉक्स के अंदर क्या है? दिस बॉक्स will have और NOR गेट. मैंने जो okay about the flip flop. Now by using NOR. तो ये जो SR फ्लिप फ्लॉप हम यूज कर रहे हैं, वो बॉक्स के अंदर आपको सिर्फ भी NOR गेट दिखने वाला है. और जब हम NOR गेट यूज करेंगे, then it is by default I am using active high SR latch. I am using active high SR latch. I am using active. Explain you now what. Either you can use NOR gate या फिर you can use NAND gate. अगर हम NOR gate यूज कर रहे हैं, then you are under active high SR latch. अगर हम NAND gate यूज कर रहे हैं, तो that means you are working, you are using active low SR latch. तो पहले मैं NOR गेट के साथ बताऊंगा, फिर मैं आपको NAND गेट के साथ बताऊंगा. सो आपने वही लिखा है, आपने क्या लिखा है, that if I am using NOR gate, then it is active high SR latch. Now see the connection of NOR gate. Please, you can draw along with me. This is very important. Draw along with me. See here you have R, that is nothing but reset, and here you have S, that is nothing but your set, and the output of this is crisscrossed to the input, and the output of this is again crisscrossed and it is given to this. You will have Q, and here you will have Q bar. Here you will have Q bar. Here you will have Q bar. I will draw it properly. So here you have Q, and at the bottom you will have Q bar. Here you will have Q bar. So this is active high SR latch using NOR gate. हमेशा याद रखना, जब NOR गेट यूज कर रहे हो तो हम एक्टिव हाई SR लैच यूज करेंगे. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि NOR गेट यूज कर रहे हो और एक्टिव लो SR लैच यूज करेंगे, नहीं. And that thing you will see your justification also for that. Have you drawn this figure? This is your NOR gate 1 and this is your NOR gate 2. This is your NOR gate 1 and this is your NOR gate 2. Have you drawn this figure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, if you see properly, these NOR gates are cross coupled to each other. ये जो दिख रहा है ना, these are called as cross coupled. Cross coupled का क्या मतलब होता है? NOR gate 1 का output is connected to the one of the input of NOR 2 gate, and output of NOR 2 gate is connected as one of the input to NOR 1 gate. So this type of design or this type of connection is called as cross coupled. NOR gates are cross coupled. NOR gates are cross coupled. Okay, and we have two outputs as Q and Q bar. We have two outputs as Q and Q bar. Now there is a, if you have to understand this properly, if you want to understand this properly, we have to draw the truth table. We have to draw the truth table. So please draw the truth table along with me fast. Please draw the truth table along with me. So this is a truth table of active high SR latch. Active high SR latch. Please draw the truth table, then you will understand it properly. So you have R, you have Q1, you have Qn plus 1, bar, and the name of the state, okay. So here you have SR. When before I start completing the truth table, can anyone of you tell me what is Qn and Qn plus 1? What is the difference between Qn and Qn plus 1? Please. What is Qn? What do you mean by Qn? And what do you mean by Qn plus 1? Please tell me, any one of you.
Qn plus 1 is present one and Qn is past one. Output.
You are right. Now he has said that Qn plus 1 is the present state, previous state. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ, can I say that Qn is the present state and Qn plus 1 is the future state, आने वाला state. Can I comment this? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
you have to agree. You have to agree. तो आप ऐसा बोलो या फिर वैसा बोलो. Okay. One is the present state और future में आने वाला state is Qn plus 1. So with that understanding, with हाँ.
So, but both are different, na?
क्या फिर
Satyam
से बोलो,
said
क्या बोला आप?
that Qn plus 1 is present state. ये हम future state कैसे मान सकते हैं? मतलब हमने अगर
हाँ.
S0 और R0 दिया है तो आउटपुट में अलग आएगा ना?
हाँ, मैं आपको वही बता रहा हूँ. मैं आपको वही बता रहा हूँ कि अगर now see here now, जब अगर मेरा SB 0 है, RB 0 है, अगर मेरा SB 0 है, RB 0 है, मैंने आपको पहले क्या बताया था? सी है, प्रीवियसली मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? यहाँ पे नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं, हाँ यहाँ पे. अभी मैं एक्टिव हाई की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो एक्टिव हाई की बात जो कर रहा हूँ, तो आई शुड टॉक अबाउट दिस. इनिशियली योर S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 0. और अगर मुझे स्टेट चेंज करना है, लैच का आउटपुट स्टेट अगर मुझे चेंज करना है, then you have to make S और R 1. दोनों में से एक को चेंज करना है. ये मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया था. मुझे बताओ, अगर मैं S और R को चेंज नहीं करता हूं, does it mean that your output will not change? Can I say it means your output will remain the same? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
हाँ, मैं ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि इनिशियली योर s is equals to 0 and your r is equals to 0, and if in this s is equals to 0 and r is equals to 0, you have a transition from 0, you make s1 r0, or you make, can I say your output of the latch will be the same, will have the same? Yes or no? Yes or no?
सर आपका आवाज बहुत लैग हो रहा है, कुछ समझा ही नहीं आप क्या बोले।
आपकी आवाज, हाँ, अब मेरी आवाज आ रही सबको? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सी मुझे क्या बताना है आपको? Having, I will write it down here. When s is equals to 0 and r is equals to 0, change, and your output of latch should
Sir,
change,
फिर से lag हो रहा है।
then अभी आ रही है? अभी आवाज आ रही है?
सब बीच बीच में जा रही है आवाज। हाँ,
अच्छा, बीच बीच में जा रही है। अभी आ रही है? Now it is fine. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, देखो, what I have to say there, in your active high input latch, your s, initially your s and r will be 0, it will be 0, and if you want to make the output of the latch should change, then in that case you make s is equals to 1, r is equals to 0, या फिर you make r is equals to 1 and s is equals to 0. ये समझा आपको? ये समझा आपको? ये समझा आपको?
यस सर।
हाँ, मुझे बात बताओ, अगर मुझे आउटपुट ऑफ लैच को चेंज नहीं करना है, वैसे ही रखना है, सो कैन आई से इन दैट केस योर s विल बी 0 एंड r विल बी 0 एज सेम? डू यू एग्री विद दैट? डू यू एग्री
Yes,
विद
sir.
दैट? हाँ, नाउ विद दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द टेबल नाउ. अब टेबल देखो क्या बता रहा है. Please pay attention now. Your s is equals to 0, r is equals to 0. Your output अगर 0 है, अगर आपका आउटपुट 0 है, तो नेक्स्ट आउटपुट भी 0 रहेगा. डू यू एग्री विद दिस? डू यू एग्री विद दिस? डू यू एग्री विद दिस? That means there is no change in the output because your s is equals to 0, r is equals to 0. Do you agree with this? प्रेजेंट आउटपुट भी 0 है और नेक्स्ट आउटपुट भी 0 है, बिकॉज देर इज नो चेंज इन द आउटपुट. ये समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी दूसरा देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं. अगर मेरा एस भी 0 है और मेरा आर भी 0 है, और अगर मेरा आउटपुट 1 दे रहा है, तो टेल मी व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट आउटपुट, व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेट अंडर एस इज इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड आर इज इक्वल्स टू 0?
1.
What should? Yes.
1.
Yes, it should be 1. It should be 1. Because under s is equals to 0, r is equals to 0, your output is not going to change. अगर 0 है तो 0 ही रहेगा, अगर 1 है तो 1 ही रहेगा. So can I say it is qn plus 1 is following qn? Can I say qn plus 1 is following qn? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. अभी मुझे बताओ ये qn plus 1 0 है तो what should be qn plus 1 bar? It should be 1. If your qn plus 1 is 1, what should be qn plus 1 bar? It should be 0. Now this state is called as what? This state is called as what? This state is called as hold state. This state is called as hold state. इसका दूसरा भी नाम है, that is no change state. No change state. No change state. No change state. पहले दो रो समझ में आ गया अभी सबको? किसी को डाउट है तो पूछो प्लीज, so that I can proceed further. Have you understood the first two row of the truth table?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see here now. What I am going to do now. Please pay attention. अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? I am completing the row now. Is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1. S is equals to 0, R is equals to 1. Can any one of you tell me what should be the output? R reset 1 है और set 0 है. This is active high. Don't forget, this is active high. Tell me what should be the output. Before you tell me the output, अगर present output आपका 0 है तो मुझे बताओ, if S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1, what should be the next output? What should be the next output? Yes? Am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है, अभी तो ये 0 0 तो आपको समझ में आया. अगर अभी मैंने अभी S को 0 रखा और 1 को R को 1 रखा. R को 1 मतलब रीसेट कंडीशन. R is equals to 1 means रीसेट कंडीशन. आउटपुट में क्या आना चाहिए?
0 1.
आउटपुट में क्या आना चाहिए? नहीं सिर्फ मुझे इतना बताओ, आउटपुट में क्या आना चाहिए? अगर मैंने रीसेट को 1 किया और सेट को 0 किया तो आउटपुट में क्या आना चाहिए?
0.
0 आना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि रीसेट कंडीशन बोले तो क्लियर कंडीशन, क्लियर बोले तो 0, आउटपुट में 0 आना चाहिए. और अगर सेट कंडीशन है यानी S is equals to 1, R is equals to 0, तो आउटपुट में 1 आना चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट इज अ सेट कंडीशन. तो मुझे बात बताओ, अगर मेरा प्रेजेंट आउटपुट 0 है तो नेक्स्ट आउटपुट मेरा 1 आना चाहिए. 0 1 है, 0 1 है, मेरा अगर 1 है तो आउटपुट में मेरा 1 ही आएगा. डू यू एग्री विद दिस? डू यू एग्री विद दिस?
No sir. 0 है
डू
ना?
यू एग्री विद दिस?
सर 0 आएगा ना 1 के साथ.
हाँ सर, रीसेट होगा ना फिर से.
हेलो.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, फिर से
हेलो. सर 0 आएगा ना 1 की जगह.
1 की जगह 0 आएगा. एक्सप्लेन मी
Reset
हाउ
हुआ
कम.
ना.
रीसेट करना है. यस, रीसेट करना है, यू आर राइट. तो ये यहाँ पे आएगा 0 और यहाँ पे भी आएगा 0. इसका मतलब है ये दोनों कंडीशन में जहाँ पे S 0 है और R is equals to 1 है, आपका प्रेजेंट आउटपुट 0 रहने दो या फिर प्रेजेंट आउटपुट 1 रहने दो, नेक्स्ट आउटपुट आपका 0 ही रहने वाला है. नेक्स्ट आउटपुट आपका 0 ही रहने वाला है. So can I say in both the cases your next output should be 0 in general? Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me in both the cases qn plus 1 bar should be यहाँ पे भी 1 और यहाँ पे भी 1. Is it right? Is it
Yes,
right?
sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
this state is called as reset state. This state is called as reset state. This state is called as reset state. Now it is simple for you to complete the table now. Now tell me when it is 1 0 in both the condition, Okay, if my present state is 0, 0, so in this 1 0 condition, if my present state is 0, tell me what is the next state. Tell me what is the next state.
1.
Now, yes, it should be 1 because S is equals to 1, R is equals to 0. So this is a set condition. So your output should be 1. And if your S is equals to 1 and R is equals to 0, and if your present state is 1, then your next state should be also 1. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So can I say here in general, the output will be always 1 for 1 0 SR. S is equals to 1, R is equals to 0. What is Qn plus 1 bar? Here it will be 0, here it will be 0. So this state is called as set state. This state is called as set state. Now only 2 rows are remaining. Only 2 rows are remaining. If it is 1 1 1 1, if it is 1 1, so if it is 1 1, आपका प्रेजेंट स्टेट 0 रहने दो या फिर आपका प्रेजेंट स्टेट 1 रहने दो. In both these cases, okay, in both these cases, your next state will be undefined. Your next state is undefined. Your next will be don't care. Don't care. Then its complement is called as invalid. This state is called as invalid state. This state is called as invalid state. This state is called as invalid. Have you understood the truth table? अभी ये truth table अगर आपको proper समझना है तो here SR जो मैंने column लिया है, this column you apply to this particular design. ये जो डिजाइन दिख रहा है आपके सामने, इसको लगाओ. ओके, पहले SR को 0 0 ले लो और बाद में देखो कि आउटपुट में क्या आता है, Q में क्या आता है, QR में क्या आता है. बाद में SR को फिर एक बार S is equals to 1 ले लो, R is equals to 0 ले लो, then you see what is Q and Q bar. बाद में आप S is equals to 0 रखो, R is equals to 1 को रखो, then you see the output of Q and Q bar. और बाद में लास्ट में दोनों को 1 1 करो, you will see it is undefined. You will not have a specific output. So you can do as a homework. This truth table is made, the truth table has been made by using this particular design. तो एक्चुअली ये डिजाइन भी यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हैं कि सेट कंडीशन में आपका आउटपुट में the set condition will always give your output as 1. S is equals to 1, R is equals to 0 will give output as 1. Under the reset condition, when S is equals to 0, R is equals to 1, in reset condition, always your output will be 0. So you have reset condition and you have set condition. What about when S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 0? In this case, it will hold the previous state. So that is called as a hold state, or it is called as no change. जो पहले वाला स्टेट था वही रहेगा. जो पहले वाला स्टेट था, ये देखो ना, Q1 है, नेक्स्ट स्टेट में Q 0 ही है. Q1 1 है तो नेक्स्ट स्टेट में 1 ही है. So there is R is equals to 1. There is you can say it is indefined. That is called as an invalid state. You can cross check by using this particular design. Have you understood this truth table? Have you understood this truth table?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ask you one question.
Sure.
Tell me under the hold state, what is the status of R and what is the status of S? Under the hold state, what is the status of R and what is the status of S? Yes?
0 0.
Very good. It is 0 0. Tell me under the reset state, what is the status of S and what is the status of R? Under the reset state.
0 1.
Under cone 0, cone 1.
S 0 R 1.
Very good. Tell me under the set condition, what is the status of S? What is the status of R?
1 0
S 1, R 0.
R
बराबर है?
0.
हाँ. And under the
Yes, sir.
and R is equals to 1. Okay, S is equals to 1, R is equals to 1. अब ये condition है. Now before I wind up, this truth table is okay. This truth table is okay. SR. So please underline this properly or give somewhere asterisk, 5 times asterisk. बच्चों को ये important है, ये confusion होता है. This truth table is valid. Saying, if I am saying active gate, I am using NAND gate. तो NAND gate में कैसा figure है? The figure is this. See here you have S, here you have R. Output of this given to the input of this. This is NAND 1, this is NAND 2. And output of this crisscross coupled with this. So here you will have Q and here you have Q bar. Here you have Q bar. Okay. So S यहाँ पे है, R यहाँ पे है. This is NAND 1, NAND 2 and these are crisscross coupled. Q is here and Q bar is here. This is active low SR latch. This is active low SR latch. और इसका जो डिजाइन के हिसाब से जो ट्रूथ टेबल रहेगा, that is slightly different from the previous truth table. और वो difference क्या है? That thing we will see in the next lecture. Any question? Any question you have? Any question you have? Any question?
No, sir.
Am I audible ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो अभी हम next lecture में active low SR latch, that is nothing but using NAND gate design, we will develop the truth table and we will see what is the slight difference between the today's table and the next table, which we are going to see in the next lecture. Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think we can stop for today. Attendance हुआ क्या मनप्रीत? मनप्रीत attendance हुआ है? हुआ है?
No, sir, नहीं हुआ.
ठीक है मनप्रीत take the attendance fast.
Roll number 1, 2, 3,
Present.
4, 5,
4 present.
roll number 6,